To apply for one of the Crypto.com Visa cashback cards, you first have to install the Crypto.com app onto your mobile device. If you install the app by clicking my referral link in the description, your balance will open with a $25 welcome bonus worth of CRO locked into your account. The video card currently being shown at the top right shows the identity verification checks which are required to complete installation of the app and get your mobile to the same stage that is now being shown on screen, with the welcome bonus already active. To start the Visa card application process, tap on the card icon at the bottom right. The default opening view is set onto the Jade Green card, but you can view all the other available cards by swiping to the left or right at the top of the screen. There are 5 tiers of cards in total available to choose from. The first tier is the free Midnight Blue plastic card, which offers 1% cashback on all purchases paid in CRO to your CRO wallet. The second tier is the Metal Ruby Steel card. £300 worth of CRO must be staked for a period of 6 months, which rewards 2% cashback plus 100% rebate on Spotify. After the 6 months have passed, you can choose to either restake the CRO for another 6 months to keep all the card benefits, or return the CRO to your wallet for withdrawal, and you can continue to use the card but lose the Spotify rebate and receive 1% cashback on the card going forward. The third tier contains 2 metal cards which each have identical rewards, the Jade Green and Royal Indigo. It costs £3,000 worth of staked CRO for one of these, which is highlighted as most popular in the Crypto.com app. There are some great additional benefits with this card: 3% cashback on all purchases, 100% rebate on Netflix and Spotify, 10% interest is paid weekly on the staked amount for the whole 6 months, you receive an increased percentage of return in crypto earn, and there is also airport lounge key access, which offers unlimited complimentary access to more than 1,000 premium lounges in over 400 airports worldwide. Tier 4 also contains 2 cards, Icy White and Frosted Rose Gold. To get your hands on one of these will set you back £30,000 worth of staked CRO for 6 months. In return, you will get all the rewards already mentioned in the previous tiers, including 100% Amazon Prime rebate, 5% cashback on all purchases, 12% interest is paid on the staked amount, bonus interest is paid in crypto earn, and you can join Crypto.com Private. There is also an exclusive merchandise welcome pack, which contains a t-shirt, jacket, baseball cap, webcam cover, and a sticker, which is provided when staking for the Frosted Rose Gold, Icy White, or Obsidian. The fifth and final tier is not going to be covered in detail here, as the staking amount is out of almost everyone's reach. I am sure if you have £300,000 worth of CRO to stake for the Obsidian, you would not be looking on YouTube for any advice on it. To apply for the Ruby Steel card or above, you must first purchase the required amount of CRO. After fiat has been transferred from your bank account into your fiat wallet, CRO can be purchased and will be placed into your CRO wallet. It is worth mentioning that after you have staked the CRO, you are not actually paying for the card, as the exact amount of CRO will be returned to your CRO wallet in 6 months. If you are not quite ready to stake CRO for any of the Steel cards, you can apply for the free Midnight Blue plastic card to start collecting CRO in the meantime. To start the application, tap on the Select button at the bottom. There are only 2 steps required to finish your card application, accepting the terms and conditions and verification of your residential address. Unfortunately, the shipping times for these cards are really slow. It can take up to 8 weeks to receive in the post, although you are provided with a virtual card to start making online purchases whilst your application is being processed. You will receive notifications and updates in the app on the status of your order throughout. After the terms and conditions have been accepted and your residential address has been entered, click on the Next button to complete the application. Thank you for watching this video right until the end. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section and I will do my best to help if I can. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Crypto.com content.